health officials are very clear. They expect to see some cases of West Nile around this time of the year. In this case, we know that the person lives in the Baltimore area. Officials gave no information about treatment. All it takes is one mosquito bite.
And if that mosquito was already infected with West Nile virus, which they acquired usually from a bird, then they can very easily transmit it to a person.
Health officials are reporting the state's first confirmed case of West Nile virus this season. The person is an adult living in the Baltimore metro region, and officials say the person was infected locally. They aren't giving any other details like how severe the case is.
Anyone can get West Nile. Most people get infected and have no symptoms, and it resolves itself. 20% of infected people develop West Nile fever, which is a flu-like illness with fever, chills, headache, and body aches, which also tends to resolve itself in a matter of weeks.
But for those who are 60 and over or immune compromised, it could be fatal. The virus can lead to encephalitis, which is swelling of the brain, or a form of meningitis leading to swelling of the membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord. State officials say that they typically start to see West Nile activity in humans now, in mid to late August.
We've already had some West Nile activity in mosquitoes in the past couple of weeks, so we are starting to see it more, but we won't know for sure how this year compares with previous years until the end of the season, which will be at the end of October.
There were 6 human cases of West Nile in Maryland last year. The peak was in 2003 with 73 cases, and the second highest year was in 2012 with 47 cases. Health officials say the Maryland Department of Agriculture will spray in neighborhoods within a mile radius of where the person who was recently diagnosed lives. Also, to reduce risk, they suggest insect repellent, long sleeves and pants, and staying inside at dusk and dawn when mosquitoes are most active. And so health officials say that the virus was detected in mosquito pools collected in Anne Arundel and Prince George's counties. We know that 13 neighborhoods there are scheduled for spraying tonight. We're live in Midtown. Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.